Today I want to show you the Samore blower. Light, easy to use blower. Runs off of a 20-volt battery. You just clip it right into the back of it. And you also have an attachment for the front. It clicks in place. The second one clicks right on in the front. It also has a switch that runs 2 speeds. You can run it in slow, or you can run it on the high speed. The slow speed runs about 60 miles per hour. The higher speed runs at 130 miles an hour. You can get about 50 minutes of time on the low speed and about 15-20 minutes on the high speed. Also comes with a charger. Charge your battery. When you finish using the blower, you usually want to let it cool for a period of time, about 15-20 minutes or more. And then you just simply plug the little plug right into the top of the battery, and then plug this into your 120 out. The Samore leaf blower. Easy to use, easy to handle.